Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team's called Grunt, and this is Pokemon Masters. We have finished Challenge Team Break Part 1 of this legendary event, The Dragon That Rules the Sky. Time for Part 2. Here we go. We are using Lance as our Dragon type, Blue as our flying type, and Price just there for, the Sync Orb chance. That said, I failed. Let's do it again. I play this game in 3 devices, that's why. So with that said, let's just load the game once again. And here we go. Explore, events, Dragon That Rules the Sky, Challenge Team Break Part 2, and here we go.
Let's see who's the best.
Sync Orb chance, time for Price.
Here we go.
Here we come!
Now, here I come. Behold.
With that said, I'll teach you a lesson.
Now is my opportunity.
Smell you later. I'll teach you a lesson. Probably a Hyper
Now's my
Beam.
chance.
Smell you later.
Now is my opportunity. Go.
Here I come!
Now's my chance. Allow me to take over. Go. Quick. Allow me to take over. That'll do it. Behold. Here we come. Go. What can we learn from this? Here we come.
Looks like that's it, guys. We have finished Challenge Team Break Part 2.
Victory is
If I'm not
ours.
mistaken, there will be no Part 3, and the next part should be co-op. Though, we have to finish this quite a couple of times in order to finish some missions. Earlier, I checked missions and they were not there. Maybe they're there right now. Let's check it out. Missions, event. There is no legendary event mission. That is so weird, guys. That is so weird. 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 Why is there no legendary event mission? Daily, claim all. Yeah, there's no legendary event mission. Why is that? That's current issue? Not really. Weird. Weird, guys. Weird. So, custom voucher 3, custom event missions. You can take on special missions during the event period. Check the mission screen to learn more. But there's no mission screen. Maybe it's a bug, guys. Maybe it's a bug. Anyway, guys. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in co-op in the next video. And give this video a thumbs up. Comment your thoughts. Share this with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you guys later.